Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. The most commonly used types of materials for creating garden paths in suburban areas are stone. The most commonly used flagstone is flagstone, which is made by saving large stones into flat slabs. The variety of shapes and sizes of limestone allows you to create different track configurations. They will serve you for more than a dozen years. They look very impressive and noble. Among the disadvantages of this material, it is worth noting the high cost. It can become slippery when wet, and at sub-zero temperatures it is covered with ice. Brick. For street paths, it is permissible to use brick, but not the usual one for walls, but clinker. It is more durable. With the help of bricks, it is possible to create different ornaments. The color scheme has several shades. Of the minuses, we note the considerable cost of one unit, as well as the difficulty in laying. The brick must be placed on a concrete solution. A sample sand below will not work. Concrete. Concrete paths are already a more budget option than stone and brick. Modern technologies make it possible to make concrete paths colored. With the help of various building forms, imitations of stone and other textures are created. Paving slabs. Paving slabs are gaining more and more popularity as an option for decorating garden paths. The reason for the general popularity lies in a wide variety of shapes and colors. Besides, laying is not as difficult as with brick and concrete. Wood. Wood is a very environmentally friendly and widely available material, will always be in demand among any construction work. It is convenient and pleasant to work within. Wooden paths, as a rule, are made from ordinary planks, decking, or round timber cuts. Bulk garden paths. In suburban areas where there is only a lawn and trees, where it is planned only to walk around the territory, you can organize bulk paths. The material for filling such paths is crushed stone, gravel, brick and marble chips, sand, sawdust, or cara, a combination of bulk materials with solid elements, boards, flagstones. The manufacture of such tracks is much easier than all the others, but the care will be more difficult and permanent. Constant filling of the material will be required. Plastic and other materials. There are special sets of modular plastic cover on sale. If this is a set of tiles, then their installation is very quick and convenient with the help of special clips. But such a coating is more fragile than those listed above. You should not use it in places with high functional load. However, it is perfect for a playground in front of a pool, in a recreation area, or on a playground. Rubber paths. This is one of the youngest types of coverage. In recent years, modern playgrounds have been covered with just such a rubber coating. The rubber cover is a mixture of crumb rubber, which is obtained by grinding old tires, and a polyurethane connector. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.